the F-22 Raptor, a name that echoes with power and innovation, a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of air dominance. Its story begins on the drawing boards of visionary engineers. The Advanced Tactical Fighter program aimed to create the future of air power. From this competition, the F-22 Raptor emerged, a marvel of engineering. Built for stealth, its radar-evading shape rendered it practically invisible. The F-22 Raptor first took to the skies in 1997. Its maiden flight marked the birth of a legend. In aviation, milestones are etched in time. They represent effort, innovation, and commitment. The F-22 Raptor has achieved 500,000 flight hours. This signifies 2 decades of training, combat missions, and vigilance. Each hour is a testament to the Raptor's capabilities. This achievement extends beyond the cockpit. It belongs to the unsung heroes behind the scenes. We celebrate the engineers, the maintenance crews, and the support of all personnel. The 500,000-hour mark is a testament to their commitment and expertise. Behind every marvel lies a team achieving the extraordinary. The F-22 Raptor is renowned for its cutting-edge technology. But at its heart, it is a machine piloted by individuals of extraordinary skill and unwavering courage. They are the ones who push the Raptor to its limits, who dance with the sky and redefine the boundaries of aerial combat. Among these exceptional pilots, Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Pelcola's name is etched in the Raptor's history. He stands as a testament to the dedication and skill required to master this technological marvel. Lieutenant Colonel Pelcola achieved a remarkable personal milestone: 2,000 flight hours in the F-22 Raptor. This accomplishment reflects countless hours of rigorous training, unwavering focus, and the ability to operate at peak performance under immense pressure. Pilots like Lieutenant Colonel Pelcola embody the spirit of the Raptor, a blend of human skill and technological prowess. Their dedication to mastering this complex aircraft ensures that the Raptor remains a symbol of American air power. They are the ones who will continue to write the Raptor's story in the skies, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and ensuring the legacy of this incredible machine. Section 4. Secrets of the Raptor, unveiling the technology behind the legend. What makes the F-22 Raptor such a formidable force in the sky? The answer lies in the intricate fusion of cutting-edge technology and ingenious design. It is a symphony of advanced systems working in perfect harmony, making it the most advanced fighter jet ever built. At the heart of the Raptor's dominance lies its stealth capability. Its shape, meticulously designed to deflect radar waves, makes it virtually invisible to enemy radar systems. This, combined with its radar-absorbent materials, allows the Raptor to operate undetected in even the most heavily defended airspace. But the Raptor's prowess extends far beyond stealth. Its sophisticated sensor suite provides unparalleled situational awareness, allowing pilots to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously. Its powerful engines grant it unmatched speed and maneuverability, enabling it to outmaneuver any adversary in the sky. The F-22 can engage in air-to-air combat with unmatched precision, utilizing its advanced missiles to eliminate threats from afar. But its versatility extends beyond air superiority. The Raptor can also engage ground targets with pinpoint accuracy, making it a true multi-role fighter jet. Section 5. Guardians of the Future. The enduring legacy of the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of American innovation and technological prowess. Its journey from the drawing board to its current status as the world's premier air superiority fighter is a testament to the dedication of countless individuals. Reaching 500,000 flight hours is not just a number. It is a powerful reminder of the Raptor's enduring relevance in an ever-changing world. It represents countless hours of training, vigilance, and combat missions carried out with unwavering precision and dedication. The Raptor's legacy extends beyond its impressive capabilities. It serves as a beacon of inspiration for future generations of engineers, pilots, and aviation enthusiasts. It ignites imaginations and fuels the pursuit of technological advancement. The F-22 Raptor will continue to evolve, adapting to new challenges and incorporating cutting-edge technology. As long as there are threats to our safety and security, the Raptor will stand guard, a silent guardian in the sky, ready to defend freedom and ensure a safer tomorrow.